I learned ABC A to Z. Red color. A is for apple. B is for balloon. C is for cat. D is for doll. E is for egg. F is for flower. G is for God. H is for hat. This is a green color. I is for insect. J is for jelly. K is for kite. L is for lamb. M is for monkey. N is for nose. O is for ostrich. P is for pig. Q is for queen. Light blue color R. I is for ring. S is for snow. T is for tiger. U is for unicorn. V is for wave. W is for water. Brown color X is for xylophone. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. Let's repeat learn with me. Please subscribe me. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. I meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.